Monte Carlo simulations are widely used in Python and R for modeling uncertainty, estimating probabilities, and solving complex problems. These programming languages provide powerful libraries for running simulations efficiently. Why use Monte Carlo in Python and R? Monte Carlo methods are essential for estimating probabilities when analytical solutions are infeasible, running simulations in finance, engineering, and data science, generating insights from large data sets with random sampling. Monte Carlo in Python. Python is a popular choice for Monte Carlo simulations due to its rich ecosystem of libraries like NumPy and SciPy. Common steps in a Python Monte Carlo simulation include 1. Defining a problem, e.g. estimating pi or option pricing. 2. Generating random samples using NumPy. 3. Running simulations and analyzing results with pandas and matplotlib. Example, estimating pi. 1. Randomly generate points in a square. 2. Count how many fall inside a circle. 3. Approximate pi using the ratio of points. Monte Carlo in R. R is widely used for statistical modeling and data analysis. Monte Carlo simulations in R typically involve using the runif function to generate random samples, applying statistical models with dplyr and ggplot2, running multiple simulations to assess uncertainty. Example, stock market simulation. 1. Model stock price movements using random walks. 2. Run thousands of simulations to analyze future trends. 3. Visualize results using ggplot2. Challenges in Monte Carlo simulations. Computational cost for large-scale problems. Need for high-quality random number generation. Interpretation of results requires statistical expertise.
Conclusion.
Monte Carlo simulations in Python and R provide powerful tools for solving real-world problems in finance, science, and engineering. By leveraging these languages, analysts and researchers can model uncertainty, make data-driven decisions, and optimize complex systems.